What's up, guys? It's Mark here at Dino Trading coming at you with this week's trading recap. This was a vicious week, man. Just a vicious sell-off we had in the final session of the week, which was yesterday. I'm going to recap. Just a perfect setup for you, man. We've had retracement patterns every single day this week. Okay, so just because it's Easter weekend and people are taking, 3 days off and this and that, okay, that doesn't mean that you should just rest on your laurels, right? I like to use these vacation 3-day weekends, days off, as a time to practice my craft, get better each day at looking for setups in the market, looking for low risk, high probability type setups, and just becoming better at this, right? If you're a serious day trader, there are no vacations. There are no 3-day weekends, right? Every day is a learning opportunity and a potential learning experience. You follow? So let's get into some of these setups, folks, all right? I can't even believe how awesome it's been. All right, so let me take you to the starting point. And by the way, this is the NAS, guys. I love the NAS. If you trade Forex, your symbol is NAS100. If you trade futures, your symbol is NQ. And of course, if you trade stocks and options, your symbol is QQQ. What you're seeing here on the chart, folks, is our volume proprietary band. It's been working every day this week. I think it's been on fire. And this is my #1 favorite technical analysis tool. I can't even look at a chart anymore without this volume indicator color band. All right. All this thing does is it changes color when it detects who's in charge. Okay. If it's green, it tells you that the buyers are in control and it's probably a better setup to look for long opportunities. And of course, in an instance like it did here, this exact moment in time where the volume indicator turns red, what does that tell you? Right? It tells you that the sellers are now in control, and it's probably a much better idea to look for shorts instead of longs. Okay, and you know what's coming next. I'm going to show you, in fact, I know you guys can already spot the retracement pattern, but I want to show you guys and gals out there who might be maybe a little bit new to retracement patterns, what we're looking for, right? What meets our criteria for a perfect, magnificent setup that you absolutely have to pay attention to, okay? Here's what I'm talking about, folks, when I say retracement pattern, all right? #1, the volume color band has to be a certain color. In this case, it's red, so I'm going to go over a short example here with you guys, okay? Volume color band is red. We are looking for shorts, period, end of discussion. I never, ever look for buying opportunities if the vol is red. That's just dumb. Okay, leave that to the amateurs and the retail traders. If it's red, I've trained my brain to only look for shorts. And here's how you do it. When the volume indicator is red, I want to see a pullback. I want to see a retracement, meaning I want to see the market come back up, aka rally a little bit, right? And I want to see a red reversal bar that closes and prints above the color. Okay, that's why I drew a bunch of arrows on this one here. In fact, the condition was also true on this bar right here. You guys see this? Put a bunch of arrows on both of these. That's it, folks. Red bar on top of or higher or above, however you want to describe it. There's got to be a red reversal bar that closes above the color. This setup is what makes this perfection. All right. And if we zoom this bad boy out, show you how this trade played out from yesterday. My goodness, folks. I mean, do you guys understand that this was a potential 1,000 tick or pip move just by following the colors? Ask yourself this question. Would you risk 26 ticks or pips if you follow along in Forex? That was the approximate stop here, all right? Would you risk 26 ticks? I'm asking you a question. Would you risk 26 ticks to grab a potential 1,000 tick potential reward? Right? Folks, This is what day trading is all about. Being prepared to risk a certain number of ticks or pips every single day, hoping you catch a sweet trend move that day, and milking or squeezing every single tick that you can out of this potential trend. This is what day trading is, folks. If you can't get your head around this, you shouldn't be trading, right? For everybody else, for all my trend traders out there, for all you guys that had the vol on this session, I know you killed it. You don't have to tell me. I know you killed it. I don't know if you made the full 1,000 ticks. Hard to say how many of you guys actually were holding on to the trade down here, squeezing that short trade here. For those of you guys that had balls of steel, maybe you shorted that even more. Maybe you shorted it a second time. Look at this retracement right here. Right? Look at the fourth retracement right here. Right? Just repeated opportunities all day long. Anyway, folks, what a fantastic week for trend trading. You could not have asked for better setups. Just check all the videos, folks. I've showed you recaps almost every day. This pattern of retracements has shown up every single day this week. If you've been on the sidelines and you weren't looking at this volume indicator, then boy, did you miss a historic trading week. And maybe it's time for you to get off the sidelines and get involved, all right? Hey guys, thanks for watching this weekly recap. Hope you learned something about trend trading, and let's see if we're going to get this same exact setup next week. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.